We'll guide you through how to hide properties in Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start from your computer desktop and make sure you are ready to begin the process. Look through your screen until you find your Google Chrome browser. Then open it by clicking the browser icon once. Give it a moment while the browser finishes loading completely before continuing to the next step. When the browser is ready, move your attention to the search bar at the center of the screen and type notion.com carefully into it. Press the Enter key on your keyboard and wait while the website loads fully before interacting with anything on the page. After the home page appears, direct your eyes to the top right corner where you will find the Open Notion button. Press the Open Notion button once and allow your Notion workspace to open on your screen. Once your workspace is available, navigate to the table database that contains the property you want to edit. Move your mouse over the header of the property column that you want to hide. Then left-click the property header one time. A menu containing several options will immediately appear beneath it. Scroll down through the available options until you locate the Hide option, which is displayed with a crossed eye icon beside it. Press Hide once, and the selected property column will disappear completely from the table view. If you decide to make the property visible again, move your cursor to the three-dot icon located directly next to the plus icon above the table and click it once to open the property visibility settings. After it opens, look toward the bottom section labeled Hidden in Table, where every hidden property in your database will be listed. Then hover your mouse over the eye icon beside your hidden property and press it once. Finally, check the table carefully to confirm that the property has returned to its original position and is now visible again successfully.